Good morning, traders. This is Dennis Cahigas from MF Global. It is Wednesday, October 12th, and this is our morning currency comments. Starting off our trading day this morning, we do have the U.S. dollar weakening against the other major currencies. The Treasury prices are sliding on the overnight. Early expectations for the trade day today is for this risk-on attitude to continue, so look for continued pressure underneath for the dollar and the Treasuries as safe havens fall out of favor. All in all, the markets we are expecting to continue to be focused largely upon Europe. Again, later in the week, tomorrow and Friday, we do have more U.S. news that will help focus markets more on the U.S. All in all, the market will be looking for more information here on the Slovakian vote that is expected to pass this time around after failing yesterday. But let's look back and look what brought us here this morning. Starting off here with the Asian markets. Asian markets closing mixed on the overnight. The Nikkei was down about 0.4%. Last night, the August Japanese machine orders actually came in much stronger than expected. That was actually the highest gain in a year, so having a little bit of buoyancy. However, the Japanese markets were pressured here by factory shutdowns in Asia due to flooding. The Chinese bank stocks also rallied last night for the second day as state-owned investment arms did help support those markets, so that giving us a mixed feeling for the Asian markets. The Japanese yen did fall here, though, on support here as the sentiment suggests that the global economy may not slow as Europe solves its problems. In European trading, the European markets are currently higher. The European Stocks 50 up over almost 1.5% this morning. Later today, we'll be looking for the European Commissioner President Barroso, as he is expected to present a stability roadmap for the European Union. That is giving stronger sentiment that they are closer to solving the European financial crisis. Also, in the Eurozone, August industrial production did come in much stronger than expected. Last night, the euro did rally here on this expectations. U.S. markets are currently higher. The December Dow is up about 0.8%, and today we have no scheduled economic data coming out. What does this mean for our trade expectations? Let's start off here with the currencies. With the U.S. dollar, look for that to weaken against the other currencies as safe havens are falling out of favor. Look for the U.S. dollar to test 76.85 throughout the day, and for the Treasuries, we're also looking for that to be under pressure on the pricing. Look for the 10-years to test support down below at 126.26, and for our 30-year, looking for a test of 136.24. Also, briefly, just quickly to note here, Japanese yen been in a fairly tight range over the past several weeks, actually at historically high pricing. Now, as we've coming to seeing at least a light in the end of the European financial crisis, we do see that sentiment being priced in as the Japanese yen does sell off again. The yen is one of the safe haven currencies in terms of a crisis. At least it's been behaving that way recently. It is significant that we are starting to break out of that range and lower. This does suggest that global sentiment is turning. If you'd like more information on these markets, or more importantly, what that means for you and your portfolio, give me a call at my trade desk at 866-631-6216. Please remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Good luck. Good trading.